pilot in America brought it to the RAF, and we had to unfold the blades and everything and make sure it was ready to go to fly. So we had almost an entire day to get it up to speed, ready for test flight, make sure that it had all of its liquids, that nothing was amiss. And once it was all good to go, it was, let's fly it. It was very eye-opening in my opinion. I've never personally worked with any of the Navy members in America, and coming here and then having the Apache aboard a ship was amazing because I never once thought it was ever possible. Noticing that the Australian Navy is actually a really well-knitted team and how well they work and how fast and efficient. It shows that not only do they work just about as the same as we do, but having us to be able to work together was really awesome because then we could learn from each other and be able to like, okay, yeah, no, this works this way, this works that way. For me, I think it's a great opportunity. I know of at least 20 other countries that own the Apache, and we all work together and in tandem to be able to be like, oh yeah, so this is how we use ours. We can work together, and then if anything comes up, we can be ready for that issue. And being here at Avalon and displaying it for the public, it's amazing. I've had so many people ask me questions, and like, it's like a kid in a candy store. They're like, eyes are so wide, they're smiling and so happy about it. I'm like, I work on this every day, so I don't get it, but at the same time, I'm also like, this is kind of cool. And all the little kids that are just like, look at the Apache, this is amazing. Sydney and Melbourne, it was awesome, honestly. I've never dreamed in a million years that I'd be here. And being able to come here and experience not only Australia, but everything that comes with it has been amazing. And I plan on coming back at some point. Maybe not for the Army, but